Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Mayflower puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jürgen Reiche and made by Siebenstein Spiele in Germany. Difficulty level of the Mayflower puzzle is 5 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is obviously to remove the ring. This puzzle is made from laser cut wood, a string, a metal ring and a couple of wooden beads. The wooden beads are attached to a string on the sides so that you won't be able to remove the string easily here or here. And the ring is trapped between, it seems like 4 strings, but actually it is one string that goes through this cutout, goes around the puzzle and goes inside of this cutout. This puzzle looks totally impossible at a first glance since it is no way you can remove this ring, but actually it is possible, and you saw the solution of this puzzle or similar puzzle a lot of times, but since it looks different, it seems like it is something new, something completely different and completely impossible. I like the size of the puzzle. It is a pocket size, and when I go out with my friends, I like to have such puzzles in my pocket after a couple of glasses of beer. It is the best time to try to solve some puzzles. If you like the Mayflower puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.